Aigner is a brand that's synonymous with luxury and innovation since the year 1965. It continues to captivate with impeccable craftsmanship, unique designs, and its iconic horseshoe look. Here are our top 3 picks. First, we have the Aigner Teramo Analog Watch. This stylish quartz watch features a green sunray dial and a durable stainless steel case with a 3-hand analog display and date function. The mineral glass crystal provides durability, while the 30 meters of water resistance adds practicality. Next up, we have the Aigner Taviano round dial watch. This watch features a brown dial and a matching brown stainless steel strap. With its quartz movement in mineral glass, it offers reliable timekeeping and durability. The watch also includes a date function and is water resistant up to 30 meters. Lastly, we have the Aigner Fermo white dial watch. This Swiss timepiece comes with a 45mm white dial and quartz movement. It features a stylish gold and silver stainless steel bracelet, adding a touch of style to its classic design. The watch comes with 3 subdials for day and date display. Comment below what you want us to cover next.